Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how you can delete page in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and open your Google Docs. Once your Google Docs has been opened up, you can type in the paragraph you want to type and simply select all the paragraph. So once you have selected all of this, you can simply go and tap on the size bar where you can adjust the size according to your preference. So once the size of your text has been minimized, you can simply get all the paragraph in one sheet instead of two, and the second page will get deleted automatically. However, the next step to do so is simply select all the text in your paragraph and then go in the bar where you can manage your spacing. So simply select the text and click on the space bar. Now make the spacing into single spacing and your text will be adjusted in one page, deleting the second one. The last way to do so is simply going on the first word of the next page and simply pressing down the backspace button. This will then take your sentences on the second page into the first page. So once every sentence in the second page comes to the first page itself, all you need to do is simply go to the second page itself. So now once you are in the second page, all you need to do is continuously press on the backspace button. When you do this, you will end up in the first page, which will then delete the second page. So this way you can delete your page on the Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.